If you've received one of those bans, you're in the right place to have it removed permanently. First, after your purchase, you'll receive a key claim in Discord to get the download link. As you can see, we have more than 200 happy customers. Now let's get started. Open the Elite tool, create a new account, enter your own username and password, and claim your key. Choose the game you want from the list. Today, we will be unbanning Valorant. Once you click on Valorant, you'll see two buttons. Click the first one, ARP Fix, and wait until it's finished. Once the ARP fix is done, click on MAC Changer. This updates your system settings quickly and easily, and permanently unban your PC. Now you can restart your PC. Once you open the tool again, you will get new MAC address. Now the best step, open Valorant and enjoy getting unbanned. We will make sure to support you with any desk or team view to make sure the process of unban work correctly.